have no idea how to get that out of there. Put my angle cutters back, and I might need them. Put them back in the red toolie. Oh, it's so deep that it's bending the pick. Ah!
Nice, a new tool.
Oh, I forgot my angle cutters again. All right.
Cool.
Whew.
No problem. Yep. That worked.
All right, well, hammer down. Oh, wait, no, we gotta take one more off. All right, here we go. Now, hammer down. When all else fails, pickle fork it out. There it goes. Okay.
You got your ball joint press, you have a sleeve, you have this adapter, and then you have another adapter. Just follow the directions, we looked at them. This looks about right, so this should pop it right out.
You're probably gonna need a Dale for this job. It's heavy.
But I was able to just break it a slight bit free. Last week was a wash, and this week we've gotten a lot more done. And there it's free.
Installation being reverse of the removal. Bottom ball joint first, and then we'll do the top ball joint. I guess we'll find out what happens. Yeah, it's going to be smooth. I think this part might be hanging it up at this point. At least it's not fiddly, right?
No, well, kind of.
That was sarcasm.
Oh, okay.
Somebody's going to say we're trying to be like Ed China now.
Right.
Yeah, this one is much easier to install than the lower ball joint was. It is seated. It did seat itself as it
Sure did.
went along. I don't know that you need to do anything else there, Dale. I think
I'm proud of you.
I think we're good.
I'm proud of you.
Cool. Well, there she blows. I guess installed. Got our knuckle set back on. Nuts are at least attached. Now we'll just secure everything. No big deal. Just trying to line up the cotter pin holes here. Give it a little extra torque. You see, we're done. So this cotter pin hole is gonna go straight back because we didn't check it before we started. Which sucks for whoever has to do this in the future. It's taking a lot of grease. Is there even any grease in this gun? That was it. That's all the grease in the gun. Nice and tight now. Look at that, beautiful. Got a little grease coming out because I did not see it leaking out of the back, and now it's leaking all the way around, which is perfect because we want it to be nice and lubricated. The process will be the same on the other side, just backwards because it's the passenger side instead of the driver's side. So everything is in reverse. No, I'm just kidding, that's not true. No, it'll be the same process to do the ball joints on the other side. Not really any changes. It's a bear of a job on this thing. Really wish I had a Dale, because I need about a 15/16 Dale.